so that we may be able to use that gift para makatulong sa ibang tao, or maybe to understand other people and to relate to other people, no? And I realized that 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 experience that I had growing up is actually what God used for me to be able to to get into people. I mean, not to get into people emotionally, but to be able to help people,
Correlate.
to correlate, and to also help them understand what they are going through. So that's why it's very close to my heart yung etong mga pag-uusap na ganito, psychology, human interaction, relationship, and everything under the sun, because this is something that I'm really I put my heart into it talaga. So